Palakpakan po natin si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy!
What I have is an ordinary leadership. If I can lead this nation to, hindi naman greatness, but I would like to promise you a comfortable life under me. Komportable na. Pagkakain at saka wala masyadong krimen at yan droga, I will suppress it to the barest minimum. Mari lang. If I become the president, I will order the military and the police, like Australia, Japan, or Korea. Kayong nasa droga, tangina, papatayin ko talaga kayo. Tingnan ninyo. Ay, wala akong pasensya dyan. Wala akong middle ground dyan. Either you kill me or I will kill you, idiots. Huwag ninyo akong bulahin dito.
It's the unorthodox style that actually caught the electorate's attention. And then, after shocking and owing them, he tapped on an emotional feeling of frustration and anger. So it, you know, the cursing is a logical outcome of the pent-up frustration. And Duterte was the authentic and organic manifestation of that anger.
Kaya to the Filipino people, I kiss the flag of the Republic of the Philippines.